If you have champagne tastes as well as the champagne budget, the sky is the limit in terms of what you can bring into your home. Here I am walking around a design center, which you can find in any metropolitan area in the United States. If you have the budget, you can get anything that you want in your home. In the 7 elements of design, today we're talking about project cost just for one of the elements, which happens to be item number 6, window treatments, bedding, and the array of other soft furnishings that you can have in your home. However, I always recommend that you do a mixture of the two. With an investment of $500 or less, plus the materials, and downloading a couple of apps, you will be well on your way to making your home very beautiful based on your taste and a combination of your budget. And every now and then, you can splurge on some of the finer things and mix and match until you bring your design to where it is that you want to be. And over time, of course, you can always trade up and bring in some of those more expensive items. In the meantime, I highly recommend that you join a growing number of homeowners who are learning how to create custom soft furnishings on this very channel. Check the links below this video and learn more about the tools, the skills, and how to get started. I'll be showing you where to go, what to buy, and how to create beautiful soft furnishings for your home. Be sure to also check out the playlist that I've created on design field trips, how to choose color, as well as the sewing design series, all of which were created in order to get you started in the right direction. Go ahead and download the 7 elements of design and get started on making your home a beautiful place to live.